Good afternoon, all. Today we will continue with functions in Python. We have already seen how do we define a function and how a function is used in Python. Today we will see how function can be used to return a value. So to start with, let's make a function. We call it define function n, and we are passing two values a comma b, as already told in functions that we need not give the data type of the values colon. Due to indentation it will be right indented, and now we want to return a value which will return the sum of these two variables which we have passed. So we simply write return a plus b, and this value will be returned to the part which is calling this function. So we'll take another variable which is c, which is calling this function, is equals to name of the function which is being called and the values which we have to pass. So we pass 2 comma 3. Now if we use print statement, the print statement will print the sum of 2 and 3. So to explain this, the function is defined as already told in the previous lecture, that how do we define? By using def, the name of the function. We give the arguments, indentation. Only new thing which has been discussed over here is the keyword return. Within return we can write down an expression also. It will return the computation of a and b. No need to tell what is we are going to return, an integer or we are going to return a float, because data types are not required in Python. Directly they are not required. They are used implicitly depending upon the value of the which we have been given to the variables. So 2 comma 3 is passed, a gets 2 and b gets 3. 2 and 3 are added, it becomes 5, and 5 is returned to the variable c. Now see, when we run this program, so we have to save this. So we save this for a moment, function 2.py, and as soon as we run it, it gives, you see the output, it gives 5. Let's clear it so that now again run it, you see that the output becomes 5. Now in Python we can even return more than one input, we can return more than one value at the same time just by giving a comma. So if I want to run addition also and multiplication also, so I'll put a comma, and over here in the same way we have to give two variables to catch these two values which are being returned. So a multiplied d by b is returned in d, and a plus b is returned in c. If now I run this program, see, it will give 3 plus 2 5, and 2 multiplied by 3 6. So this is how we can use a return statement in Python in functions. What is important is that we do not need to give the data types. So this is how return statements can be used. Thank you.